Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shalom Black. If you are new, welcome to the channel. Do not forget to subscribe, okay? Be a part of our family. My thing is like shaking. So guys, I am actually going to be reviewing the Allegro Cosmetics Pro Matte Foundation today. I don't know why I decided to pick this day to do the review of this foundation because I'm actually going out, and you guys know it's not a good idea to try something new when you are actually going out to an event where there's a lot of social media influencers that do beauty. So I also just think it's a good opportunity to really see how the foundation is and to see if it's going to work, last me all day as it claims to, but we're gonna get to that. Look how big this PR package is from Allegro Cosmetics. I actually went to their headquarters, I believe, this year, the beginning of this year, and they told me that they had something coming out, and I actually guessed that it was foundation, but they were like, shh, we cannot tell you, you just have to wait. And then I got a package, I opened it up, and it's their foundation. Let's not get too excited because these colors are not looking very pleasing. The recent review video I did was the NARS foundation, and I told you guys $50 is expensive for a foundation. So today's foundation that we are reviewing is $10. Yes, I think all the Allegro foundation is $10. The other foundation that they have is their BB cream, which I never use because that is just not working for me. And then they have the illuminating foundation, full coverage foundation. I freaking love that foundation. It's kind of like syrupy, but I like it, okay? And so this is their Pro Matte line. And, sometimes I do get oily, I feel like right now I am in the middle. I am oily and dry. So I'm super excited to see how this is going to work. It's a medium to full coverage foundation, long-lasting formula, and soft suede matte finish. I have a Pro Matte high definition long wave matte foundation, smooth and creamy formula that glides onto the skin, offering a medium to full coverage. Lightweight formula leaves the skin looking airbrushed and soft to the touch, providing a matte suede-like finish that lasts all day. So they do have this foundation in 14 shade. The last foundation that they had it in 15, and then plus the one white foundation that you can customize your foundation with makes it 16. So I'm not exactly sure why they didn't have, up to 16 shade on this foundation. So guys, this is basically the range of foundation. And I'm actually missing one because when this foundation came, my friend was over here, so I let her pick one foundation, and I just realized I gave her the wrong shade because she was actually ivory, which is the lightest shade that they have here, but I gave her the second shade. That is not her shade, sorry. Guys, this is the darkest shade that they have in the matte collection. I haven't swatched the foundation yet, so I'm not exactly sure if it's as dark as dark chocolate from their other collection, which is the luminous foundation. It just looks completely different to me. I would think it might match a little, but this does not look like a match. And I'm actually really surprised that they don't have a really dark shade, because on their concealer, this is like the darkest shade in their concealer. Do you see how dark that is? But a foundation is the shade. I have cappuccino and nutmeg. So right now I'm just gonna swatch cappuccino on my chin. And let's look at my chest. Okay, the swatch is very full coverage. Wow. Okay, so that is cappuccino for you guys. This is the darkest shade. And this is nutmeg. These are the two darkest shades. Now, I'm not exactly sure if this foundation oxidized, but this being the two darkest shade, I am not impressed. I'm kind of disappointed. I'm trying to think right now. Should I wear the foundation? and then try to contour it to make sure it kind of works out with my skin tone or not. The coverage of this foundation is actually really beautiful, but this shade right here, I'm sorry guys, I can't do it. I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it. I'm not fucking my face up tonight. No, I think not. I'm sorry, I got some place to go to, so I'm not really gonna do this to myself. I'm not about to be mad. But this shade, do you see this? I'm trying to make this work, guys. I'm really trying. Okay, maybe it's gonna match my chest. Okay. Go ahead and apply the primer by LA Girl. I'm hoping that will work very nice with the foundation. This is their high definition smoothing face primer. Let me just look. So this is the LA Girl Beauty Blender, and this is their foundation brush in the number 108. So we're just gonna see which one applies better, okay? Works. Maybe I shouldn't do that. I hate applying foundation with a beauty blender. It just never works out. Right away, it's giving me a sheer coverage. So if you want a sheer coverage, then definitely use the beauty blender. But their beauty blender is actually very soft. Look at that. And I wet it already, so it's very soft, but yeah, I'm not liking the coverage. Yeah, it's giving me like a sheer coverage right here. I don't know, can you guys see that? So let's try the brush. The brush gives me a medium to fuller coverage. So we're gonna go ahead and do the brush. I feel like I'm just putting somebody's face on my face. Hey, babe.
Hey, you're right.
Yeah, I'm filming a video right now.
Where have you been? I have to come see you.
It's 5:30 p.m. So we are going to stamp that as the time that we had our foundation on. And I'm going to be giving you guys update of the foundation at the event. So I'm going to be using a different camera. I'm going to be using my vlog camera. So the quality might be slightly different, but you guys are going to see how the foundation is holding. For right now, I'm just gonna go ahead and finish doing my makeup, and I will see you guys later. And you guys just tell me what you think about the foundation right now without the rest of my makeup on. Let me know in the comments down below. But yeah, let me get ready. I think I'm running a little late. I have 30 minutes, okay? See you guys on the other side. So guys, I did not tell you guys where I was going to be at, but me and Linda just got here to the BH Cosmetics event. This is actually a dinner event, so I'm gonna be vlogging a little, and I actually am doing like a little vlog for my main channel because I was trying this new foundation by LA Girl Cosmetics. So we're gonna see how this is gonna hold, but just got here to the event. Look at this one. Looking gorgeous. Come on. Right now to vlog. Yeah, me too. I'm trying. Hopefully I edit the video, because the thing is, I do record, but I never edit.
Thank you. That's my problem too. I never get to it. I'm like, I'm gonna do this, but then I don't.
But I think I'm gonna do it this time. I don't have a choice because I'm doing like a foundation tryout today. So
okay.
I'm gonna have to have this video up.
How's it going so far?
What do you think about the foundation? This is the LA Girl. Tell me, be honest.
I like it, but it does have like an undertone, like a grayish.
I do. I feel like I look grayish.
Undertone.
Definitely.
It's pretty, like the wear, but like it has an undertone, a weird undertone.
I think so. And plus, hey guys, so I am finally back home. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, guys. I wish I can say something good about this foundation. I am so disappointed in this foundation, and this is why. So you guys have saw all the pictures. I basically don't think I have any pictures that I'm going to be posting today because, guys, my face looks so it looks so funny. Like, the flashback is literally ridiculous. I try everything that I can to oh my god. No. So first of all, I know the foundation might look like it matches my skin tone, but when I take pictures with flashback, it is completely different. It's like I took somebody's face and I plastered it on my face. That is how it looks like. I am really, and I'm looking at the pictures here. So I basically took some pictures today with flash, and I look, oh my god. Mind you, I never get flashback. Remember what I told you guys about spraying your face after applying makeup? That helps cancel any flashback. So I drench my face in my Fix Plus. But child, when I tell you that did not work. So I did get pretty oily. Not so much, but around my nose area, that's where I get the most oiliness. And child, I did get oily. And right now it's actually 11 o'clock. So I had this makeup for about 5:30. I had the foundation on for 6 hours. And this is what it looks like. So yeah, it doesn't stay matte all day. For 6 hours and getting this pretty oily without touch-up, that is oily. If I had to rate this foundation from, the scale of 1 to 5, I would give it like a 2 star. 2 stars. 1 is because they don't have enough shade range. 2nd is because of the undertone. And 3rd is because of the flashback. And but yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching this review. If it was helpful, give it a thumbs up. And if it wasn't helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And also comment down below what you want me to review next. I don't always know what is out and what you guys want to see. So let me know if you want to know my opinion on some products. But yeah, guys, good night. So let me take my ass to sleep. Take this makeup off, go to sleep, and be sad that I did not get a picture. I can't believe this.